Hi friends, welcome to Study Circle. Today our topic is transformers. Before going into the topic, we should know basic function of the transformer. What is the role of transformer in the power system? Okay. Generally, power will be generated in the power generating stations. The generating voltage in terms of 11 kV, 21 kV like that. Okay. But we are using 230 volts bulb, 230 volts fans in the domestic purposes, but we are generating in terms of 11 kV, 21 kV. Okay, in order to reduce these voltage levels to required voltage levels, we should use one device is called transformer. Okay, we should use one device is called transformer, which step down the voltage level from 11 kV to 230 volts in the power system. So far we have studied basic function of the transformer. Now we are going to learn basic working principle of the transformer. Okay, transformer works based on mutual induction. Transformer works based on mutual induction. What is mean by mutual induction? Mutual means common. Mutual means common. Whenever one circuit of the transformer is connected to the alternating voltage source, then current will flow through this coil or circuit. Then some magnetic flags set up in the laminated core. Due to these alternating flags, some EMF will induce in the other circuit of the transformer. Okay, whenever alternating voltage source is connected to first circuit of the transformer, then alternating current will flow through this first circuit, then alternating flux will set up in the laminated core. Alternating flux links with the other circuit of the transformer, then EMF induced in this other circuit. Okay, the induced voltage is V. Okay, now coming to this principle, mutual induction. Okay, the EMF induced in the adjacent coil situated in the same magnetic field is called mutual induction. Okay, the EMF induced in the adjacent coil situated in the same magnetic field is called mutual induction. Okay, whenever an external load like bulb or fan is connected to the other circuit of the transformer, then current drawn, that is current is I, then bulb will glow. Okay, the winding which is connected to the alternating source is called primary winding. The winding which is connected to the external load is called secondary winding. Okay, thank you.